Hello, here is another tutorial on about creating your own transcripts in YouTube so you can have YouTube create closed captioning for it. So right now I'm in the video manager, so I'm going to find the video I want to do the new transcript for. I'm going to hit the edit button for this video right here. And what that does, that brings up the page where you can change the title and put a description and stuff, change the permissions and you know, stuff like that. But on the top you can see that there are some other options here, so I'm going to choose the subtitles and closed captioning option. Alright, so you can see here our old favorite English automatic. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click the add subtitles or closed captioning option, and yes, it's going to be English this time around. So now we have the three options we have seen before. Upload file is if you have a transcript in a text file, only text files. Transcribe and set timings is where you can type it in and YouTube will set the time code for you. And then the create the new subtitles or closed captioning is where you actually create the text and the timing. So if you want to go into that and try to do the timing yourself, if you want it perfect, that is where you'd go. But for right now, I'm going to go to the transcribe and set timings setting. So this is where you would start typing what is being said in the video. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure your audio is up. And right here, there's a thing that says pause video while typing. What this will do is you listen, and then when you start typing what you heard, it'll stop. That way you don't fall behind. I'm going to try to show you a quick example of it right now. So we'll see how it goes.
Welcome to Module 2 of the International Communication Series. In this series, we are exploring the history, development, and current status of global media.
So as you can see, you can do pretty good. If you get pretty good at this, you can probably keep up. Now there is a button here that lets you scroll back 5 seconds, shift and left arrow. So if I wanted to use that keyboard shortcut, I could. And then if I wanted to pause the music, well, if it's pausing when I'm typing, you probably don't need that too much. Unless you're like sipping a cup of coffee and you want to pause, you can do that as well, instead of having to go to the play and pause button. So once that's done, you would click the set timings button. We'll do that now. Well, tell you what, I'll do some magic real quick. And I did it. Actually, I didn't really type it all in. What I actually did is I cheated, and I actually opened up the text document that had this already in it. I copied it and I pasted it on there. So for an example, if you have someone email you the transcript and then put it all in the email instead of attaching a text file, you could conceivably copy and paste it into this text window. Okay, so we have that done. So we are going to check it real quick. Is that how you spell wouldn't? No, it wasn't. And then set timings. What this will do is it will match the text in the document with the words that are being said, and it uses its automatic captioning to improve its timing, I guess. So we will, as you can see, it says English automatic, and then the English is not published yet because it's gray instead of green. So I'm going to click this and see what's going on inside. I said set timings. Okay, now that we told it to set the timings, it is working. So we're going to give it some time and see what happens, and come back and check on it. Okay, so I refreshed the page and it said it stopped doing the timing, but it's still gray. What's going on, you might ask? Well, it's not published yet. So we're going to click this button and go back in here, and then as you can see now, all the transcript has been divided up into time codes, and you can see down here as well. In fact,
Of the International Communication Series. In this series, we are exploring the history.
so everything's set up. It looks great. So this will give you one final chance to check it out and see what's going on. And then if you like it, you can hit publish. And when you hit the publish button, that's when it becomes live. So right here it says click to update. So sure, why not? I'll give it a click. And hey, what do you know? It is now published. So now when we go to our video and we click the closed captioning, we should see our English transcript and the automatic captions. So what we can do, if we want to get rid of the automatic captions, we can go back to the captions and then go to the English automatic captions by clicking on the button. And then up here we can unpublish it. And again, I will mention that if you want to download the closed captioning as a file, you can actually download it from here, from the actions, as a SVB, SRT, or VTT. But I'm just going to click unpublish right now. And now it is gray, and ours is green. So now when we go back to our video, we will only see our English subtitles. So let's see how it looks.
Welcome to Module 2 of the International Communication Series. In this series, we are exploring the history, development, and current status of global news.
Pretty good.